Hello, Bernice O'Brien.
Good morning, Ms. O'Brien.
Hi.
State of Michigan 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean Perkins presiding. While court is in session, there will be no smoking, eating, drinking, sleeping, and/or laying down. I will ask that if you have on any hats or hoodies, that you please remove them unless due to religious purposes. Thank you, everyone. Judge, good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Damn. They said leave me.
Are we ready, Ms. Williams?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Sharice Galloway. Case number SP 1065179, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 106. 1065215, counts 1, 2, and 3. $14 403347 $15 442852, counts 1 and counts 2. 17 389580, counts 1, counts 2. 17 391915 18 514567 and 20400871. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., P 28880, on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Galloway.
Sharice Galloway.
Your Honor.
Galloway. All right, go ahead, counsel.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
So in or not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Galloway, you missed the court date, the formal hearing the last time. So what happened?
So the original court date, I believe, was on the 10th. And then it got switched to the 12th. I was unaware by the time I got like the notice in the mail, I had already had court in Dearborn, which I had to go inside of court. So I had 2 court dates the same day.
All right. I'm gonna set another one again. You missed this one, we're gonna put a warrant out for your arrest and a cash bond, all right?
I understand. I am done with Dearborn, so I'll definitely be in.
I'm clear. Court date is going to be due, are these new dates here? Yeah, but this is a, I use this court, I don't think I used the 12/19. I'm gonna give you trial date for December 19th, 2023 at 9 a.m. December 19th, 2023 at 9 a.m. now. There's nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Sean Link there. Sean Link.
Yes.
Good, you take your hat off, please, sir. Did you, do the, class and the testing?
Yes, I did, sir.
Where, did you turn that into the probation department?
Yes, I spoke with her yesterday and she, I sent her a copy of the certificate as well as the, test I had to take.
Call Ms. Green up and find it out, and then get probation down here for Leslie Lewis. All right, let me stand by. Let me get confirmation of that. We'll get you out of here once we do that. Right. Shante Gray.
Yes, I'm here.
Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus DeShante Terrell Gray. Case number SP 1474939. Counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for records, please.
Good morning, Your Honor, and good morning to your staff. May it please this honorable court, Chair Harris, Peace 722 on behalf of, what's your name for the record?
DeShante Gray.
All right, there's a time set for a pre-trial. See here. Why don't you pay this moving violation, pay this the blocking traffic $175 or dismiss the other two matters. Absolute right to a trial. You can speak with Ms. Harris in a breakout room you can choose to.
Okay.
What would you like to do?
I would like to accept the blocking traffic for the 175.
Very well. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Your device is breaking up, Ms. Harris.
Yes, it is.
Sorry about that. So stipulated, and we stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal.
Very well. With that, I'm gonna find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. So dismiss the other matters. When can you pay?
I'll be able to pay within 2 weeks if that's okay.
And by October 6, 2023, pay at any DIRDAD kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it. I'm told you can upload that DIRDAD app to your phone, all right?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Nyla Dupree Glenn, case number SP 1476680, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1476681, counts 1 and counts 2. State of Michigan versus Nyla Dupree, and Case number SX4246783, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Miss Gwen.
Nyla Japri Gwen.
All right, you need to turn your camera on now,
Okay.
please. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Ms. Gwen, do you have a valid license, registration?
Yes.
Runner license, please. Let's see the registration, Ms. Gwen.
This is the registration.
All right, you gotta hold it still and bring it closer, please.
I'm sorry, what was that?
Hold it still and bring it closer, please. All right, you're turning it the wrong way. You had it the right way first. And whose name is that under?
Mine.
Well, okay, let's see, this driver's license is valid. Plates are valid. I'll offer you a blocking traffic for the speeding ticket. We'll dismiss the other matters.
Okay.
Want to take the deal now? You have an absolute right to a trial. You want to take the deal?
I'm sorry, what was that?
You want to take the deal? You have an absolute right to a trial.
What was the deal?
The deal is blocking traffic, $175 for the speeding ticket.
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea, counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissals of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right, with that, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay?
Can I pay in a week?
All right, I'm going to give you till September 29th, 2023. Pay it. We'll close the matter out. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk, City of Detroit, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone. All right.
Okay.
There's nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, you too.
O'Brien, your officer is here. We will, when the city attorney comes, we'll get you an offer. And we will put you in a breakout room to speak with your defense attorney about the offer. This is allowing. All right, we'll stand by on that. City of Detroit, versus Virginia and Laidler, case number SP 1472491, SP 1472934, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika
morning, Your
Harris,
Honor.
on behalf of Ms. Layler. Ms. Layler, please state your name.
Virginia and Lakeler.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Lakeler, you have valid insurance and plates on this vehicle, ma'am?
I no longer have that car, Your Honor. I surrendered the vehicle to a bankruptcy. I had to file bankruptcy to a previous divorce. So the car's been surrendered. So I don't even have it no more. But I
You
do
have-
have, I'm
Do
sorry.
you have a vehicle, ma'am?
No, not right now. I'm looking for one. When I get one, I'm gonna have insurance on it though.
All right, you want to pay this 175, blocking traffic, we'll close the stuff out.
Yes, can I get to the 5th of October?
So I'll give you to the 6th of October.
That'll be perfect. Yes, I'll pay that. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible
So
plea count.
So stipulated, Your Honor, and we stipulate probable cause for the dismissal.
Very well, find your client responsible for the amended count, well, as written, blocking traffic, $175. We'll dismiss the other matters. All right, I'm gonna give you till October the 6th to pay it. And then he did that kiosk in the city of Detroit. Come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person, or you can upload the app to your phone. I told you can. All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you. Have a good day, Your Honor. Thank you. Bye-bye. Councilor Morales, good morning to you. What are you gonna do with Andrew Ostrowski? Ostrowski. Andrew Ostrowski. All right. Samsung SM A146U. Yes, you, sir, with the suit, blue suit coat on, and the young lady that's bored back there, waiting on you to hurry up and get this over with. Unmute yourself, please.
I have to go downstairs with the tickets.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, sir. What's your name, please?
David Gordon.
David Gordon.
Yes.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right. City of Detroit versus David Gordon, case number SB 146599581. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gordon.
David Gordon.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Let me see what the allegations are.
Hi, Jessica. Hi, here, I'm coming. Let me turn my camera on.
Strakowski. All right, let's go with all right, this is a one-time deal, sir. The plea is charged of the indecent exposure. Is that some sort of let's see the statute on that.
Scary. Oh, no.
Okay, as written as a high misdemeanor, 1 year. Well, I won't say a high misdemeanor, I'd say a 1 year misdemeanor, $1,000 fine. Plea this charge, I'll dismiss upon payment of $240. You have an absolute right to a trial, sir. Put you in the breakout room if you want to speak with the lawyer about it. Well, who signed up for this case? I mean, who put their appearance on this?
I did, Your Honor.
I speak to Mr. Berry in the breakout room. Mr. Gordon.
Okay.
And what does that offer, Your Honor?
Plea discharge, $240 fine will dismiss upon payment. It's one time.
Okay.
To the room, please. Mr. Moran. Ready on Ostrowski. Mr. Moran.
Oh, sorry, Judge. I'm here on Mr. George.
On Ostrowski or George? Who is? Oh, George.
I'm here on Mr. Antonio George.
All right. What is he set for? Okay. Pre-trial.
Pre-trial and formal hearing.
I don't have formal hearing down here, I don't think. I do. All right. Well, who's the officer, you know?
No officer today?
Let me look it up. I thought I had that audio in the room. Do you know if Mr. George is here?
Yes, he is. I've seen him on Zoom, Your Honor. He must have been. He's right there. He's
Good
in
morning.
a shirt and tie.
Mr. George, who's got all the background? Corporal Spidell, I'll put you in a breakout room. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
George been testing for this IBAC case?
No, Your Honor. I don't believe that was ordered.
All right, Corporal Spidell is here for the accident ticket. And does the IBAC case go along with the accident ticket, or is that a separate incident?
No, same date of the offense, Judge.
Right. You want to speak with the city attorney about this beforehand, or what?
I do, Your Honor. Is Officer Spidell present?
He is present.
Always, yes. I will definitely talk to the city attorney if that's okay.
We'll wait until Ms. Snyder becomes available, all right?
Okay, thank you, Judge. I'll just be off camera. I'll be in the background.
All right. City of Detroit versus Benny Lee Green Jr. What's your date of birth, sir? I think we have to unmute him.
Sir, can you press *6 to unmute yourself? Mr. Benny Green Jr.
Let's give him a prompt. I think that helps on the phone for someone.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you. What's your date of birth, Mr. Benny Lee Green Jr.?
August 6, 1967.
All right. City of Detroit versus Benny Lee Green Jr., case number SP 955-3041, SP 147-2158, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Green. Please state your name for the record.
Benny Lee Green Jr.
There's a date and time set for pre-trials and the matters. Mr. Green, do you have valid license, registration, and insurance?
Yes, Your Honor, I have the insurance, and then I have an appointment for today at 4 o'clock. The agent gave me. She gave me an appointment. Yes.
Come back tomorrow morning, sir, with a valid license.
No, I do have a valid license, Your Honor.
All right, let me run this license, please. You don't have it, you're not able to show me the registration and insurance though, right? If you're on the phone.
I can show you the insurance now. I just needed, I have an appointment. I have the paper right here. She printed out for me for the Secretary of State.
How can you show me the insurance and you calling on the phone?
The insurance here is right in front of me. I can't,
Are you able to email it, Mr. Green?
yeah, I'm not good at that, but I have it right here. It's right here in front of me. Do I have to take a picture or something?
Are you able to log on and have video?
Go ahead, help them out.
If you show me, you
trying.
want to tell me out? You tell me, I can do it probably.
Your Honor, if I could have a breakout room and I can give him the steps to get a video started.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, let's go off the record. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gordon. Mr. Gordon, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your plan want to do?
Your Honor, he would avail himself of the offer, but he would like to, I'd like an opportunity to speak to the sanction, Your Honor, if I may.
Okay, what's about the sanction?
That is to say that the court, he wants the court to know that he has, this occurred because in fact, he has a condition, a medical condition, which gave rise to this event. And he has the physician's letter in his possession that reflects that he was under this kind of pressure.
Well, would that be, will you want to speak to the city attorney on that to see if they are willing to accept that letter? And
I would like to, yes, Your Honor.
Let's wait on the city attorney to come in. Let's wait on the city attorney to come in for that. Okay. We'll
Yes,
pass
sir.
them. For Mr. Link on the probation.
They're working on it right now.
Waiting on this George Kimball Lamont.
Good morning.
One, two. City of Detroit versus Kimball Lamont, case number SP 145-11011, SP 145-4207, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 147-31611, appears for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lamont.
Kaba Tariq Lamont.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Lamont, want to take a better driver's course to mitigate this 4-point offense? It's pretty fast. The allegations suggest you're going pretty fast. Aggression. Do you want to take a better driver's course? Do you have a valid license, sir? Registration and insurance?
I have the registration and insurance because it was my cousin's car. As far as my license, I'm still paying off a payment on his payment plan, and I have to pay for the reinstatement with my license. But I'll take a class if, you know.
How long before you get your license?
Okay, excuse me.
I'll say a few months, Your Honor, because I just had a baby girl, infant and stuff, and I'm still looking for employment and stuff, so it's kind of been hard for me on that note.
You might not be looking hard enough. I think a lot of people are hiring, sir.
Yeah, I've been doing subcontracting as far as DoorDash and stuff, but I just moved to the state of Michigan in March. So
How you doing DoorDash and you don't have a license?
no, I'm saying I ride and I help with DoorDash.
Oh, it's not
I
what you
don't
said.
have a DoorDash account personally, but I was helping my significant other and stuff like that. I'm currently about to move too, so I'm moving at the end of this month.
Where are you moving to?
I have no idea yet, sir. Like I said, I just moved to the state of Michigan from California. I'm originally from New York City.
You don't put a very good plan about anything, do you, sir?
You said what?
You don't have a very good plan about anything, do you?
Yeah, I do have a plan to go.
How do you don't have a plan? You don't have a job. You don't have a, you don't know where you're gonna move to in a month. Are you staying in the state of Michigan?
Yeah, I am.
All right. You need to, you know, and you have a new baby on the way.
No, the baby's here.
A baby girl?
Yep.
Congratulations with that, but ask yourself, would you want your baby girl to be and planning the way you're, or the lack thereof, the way you're doing it?
Absolutely not.
So you gotta show her the way. It starts with you.
You're absolutely right, sir.
I'll put the better driver's course in the chat.
Okay.
All right. Good morning. All right, I'll put it in the chat. Take a screenshot of that, please.
Yes, sir.
We get new dates, Ms. Memphis. The new dates.
We need some more dates.
I need some dates. Let me give you an opportunity. I hope you can come back in. The goal is to come back in with a valid driver's license. I'm gonna give you until November the 14th. I hope you can figure out a way to get that valid driver's license, take the class. We'll get you an offer, bring some valid proof of insurance and registration on a vehicle. Come back on November 14th at 8:30, all right? If you have an absolute right to a trial, we'll have you back and see what kind of progress. Hopefully you made some progress towards this, all right?
Okay.
There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you, sir.
Mr. McCall, are you here for, Sean Lee? Did he do everything?
Yes.
City of Detroit versus Sean L. Link, case number U63177022. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Myra McCall on behalf of the Probation Department.
And Mr. Link, state your name for the record, please.
Sean Link.
All right, today is the date and time set for a review in the matter. Go ahead, Mr. Carl.
Your Honor, Mr. Link was placed on probation on August 7th, 2023, and he was instructed to pay $240 in assessed fines and costs, complete the HIV STD testing, and complete the misdemeanor morality program and return September 21st, 2023. And at this time, Mr. Link has provided verification of paying the $240 in assessed fines and costs. He has completed the HIV STD testing as well as the misdemeanor morality program.
Okay, very good. Mr. Link, based on that, I'm gonna close the matter out under disorderly conduct. All right. If there's nothing further, sir, you have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There it is. Trust. This is the city of Detroit versus Andrew Daniel Ostrowski. Case number V12-313-822, V12-313-922. Appearance, please.
Sharon Harris, on behalf of Mr. Ostrowski, please state your name.
Oh, yes, this is Andrew Ostrowski.
There's a date time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Aaron, not guilty, pleading your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Ostrowski, do you have valid dog license for this vaccination?
Yes, Your Honor. We work with a dog rescue. They have the license, so when procuring the license and getting copies that I could then present to the court at a later date.
All right, I'm going to give you a pretrial date.
Thank you, Your Honor.
November the 14th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. All right.
Great. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Is that time to be presented?
This is
to me?
pre-trial.
He said it bench warrant?
So this probably, that's it.
Why did he say you have a bench
He doesn't have a warrant. So he now has a new court date. There's no warrant for him at this time.
Okay, there you are. Okay, right. So there's no warrant, right? We're good. We'll just bring the paperwork for the pretrial. Will that clear it then? Probably.
Bring on
Maybe.
valid that the dog has been licensed and vaccinated. We'll dismiss the case. All right.
I understand, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Jasmania Landrews, case number SB 141-3771, SB 141-10201. Appearance for the record, please.
Otis Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Landrews.
Hello?
Andrews.
State your name.
Jasmine A. Landers.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial, ma'am. Do you have a valid license, ma'am? And registration?
No, I do not. I do not no longer own the car. I do have my permit as required.
Run a driver's license, please.
I'm sorry?
Hold on one second. We'll run the license. If she has a valid license, we'll give her a amended count of improper plate for the unregistered, untitled, $240 fine. I'll dismiss upon payment. It is not abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore it does not carry any points, and it will be dismissed upon payment.
I'm sorry?
All right, the license is valid. Improper plate. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. You have an absolute right to a trial now. Mr. Berry is gonna explain things to you, okay?
Okay.
Ms. Harris, what's going on with Benny Green?
He was attempting to take a photo of the insurance and send it to me. I'm not sure if he's been able to do that. We attempted to get him to the court's website. He was unsuccessful in finding the link to join Zoom.
We'll keep going. On the iPhone 2, haven't connected the audio yet. Are we ready, Mr. Moran?
Ready, Judge.
This is the city of Detroit versus Antonio Demond George, case number SP 147057881 Z8089881. Appearance for the record, please.
Judge Rad Murad, PA 3665, on behalf of Mr. Antonio George, who's present on Zoom. Mr. George, please unmute your device and introduce yourself to this honorable court.
Good morning, Antonio Demond George.
Okay, Ms. Snyder, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322, and it's my understanding the issuing officer is present.
He was. I don't see him here anymore. Corporal Fidel, are you here? He was here, but he's gone now.
And I do acknowledge his presence, Judge. I do acknowledge his presence, Your Honor. I did see him on here, and I know Officer Spidel is usually always here.
You do.
To update the court, Your Honor, Attorney Murad and I discussed this matter in the breakout room. As you can see from the docket, Mr. George is set for a formal hearing on an accident case today, but he has a trailing OWI case. Because Attorney Murad and I have already discussed a resolution to that case, there's just a couple discovery issues we want to address first. So we're asking for a one-time adjournment to keep the cases together. He's going to email me for discovery, and we'll have a deal worked out by the next time.
Most definitely.
I'm gonna set a bond for your client. However, it was probably on a $0 personal bond. I'm gonna adjust that bond to a $500 personal bond. We're gonna impose some testings on your client. All right.
Most definitely, Judge.
I have a client test one time a week, random. I'm going to order your client not to drink during the pendency of this case. No leaving the state of Michigan without court's permission. And what we'll do is we need a good phone to get him to probation. I'm going to refer this to probation.
Absolutely.
They can oversee it. What is the good phone number from you, sir?
Mr. George, unmute and tell the court your number.
313-969-9524.
9524. 313-969-9524.
Yes, sir.
We'll refer it to probation. We'll have on a pretrial 11/14/2023 at 8:30. To get it worked out before then, Mr. Morad. Well, I don't know. You can come back in. I won't be here for the next 2 weeks, but you can come back in the month of October to get it worked out before then. But I need to see some testing from you, sir. If somebody should reach out to you. If they don't, you need to reach out to your lawyer or the court so we can get things situated. But by next week, hopefully this week, by next week at the latest, I need to have you on a regular 1 week basis testing, okay?
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
Thank you.
No, sir.
All right, you're in very good hands, sir. You got a very good counsel there, so best of luck to you. Have a very good day.
Thank you very much, Judge. We can't wait to show the court how Mr. George is going to demonstrate that he's going to be exemplary on the drug.
Very good. I can't wait to see
Thanks,
that.
everyone.
Confidence in him.
Thank you, Judge.
All right.
Thank
Take
you.
care, everyone.
All right, take it easy. Okay. I need probation here for Leslie Lewis.
Ms. Bumpkins just called and said that she's stopping over to Judge Hansen's, and as soon as she finishes, she'll be over here.
Okay, so Ms. Lewis will hear you in a minute. Good morning, Turner. Ms. Snyder, we have Ms. Bernice O'Brien and Laxton Breakout to see if we can get Ms. O'Brien off, all right? Mr. Turner, can you join the breakout room and speak with Ms. Snyder, please?
Yes, sir. Good morning.
All right. Good morning. Okay, good morning. All right. Good morning. Good morning, Ms. O'Brien. We'll get you an offer in momentarily, all right? All right, O'Neill, Deontay.
Yes, sir.
All right, gotta get the second one right, Deontay O'Neill.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Tyshawn. Is that the middle name?
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit versus Deontay Tyshawn O'Neill, case number SB 1465177. Counts 1, 2, and 3, and SB 1465181. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. O'Neill, please state your name.
Deontay O'Neill.
You're going to turn your camera on, sir.
Okay.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause. Go ahead, Counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
You are not guilty pleading your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Are you here in the state of Michigan, sir?
No, sir. I'm in Columbus, Ohio.
All right, you want to take a better driver's course? The allegation is that you've been going 26 to 30 miles an hour over. I hope you don't do that in your block in your neighborhood, do you?
No, sir. I'm sorry. I was just getting
All right,
off the freeway.
I'm not trying to hear an apology, sir.
Yeah, you're right.
Trying to suggest that that's awful fast, and that's a 4-point offense. That would affect, if you have an Ohio license, I don't know how that would affect that, but I'll give you an opportunity to take a better driver's course. Seems like you've been here before.
Yes, sir.
And what happened the last time?
What? To court?
You been in my courtroom before?
No, sir. No. I've never been. This is my first time ever been in court down there. Oh, out there. I'm sorry.
Very well. All right, I'm gonna put the course in the chat. It's up to you if you want to take it or not.
Yeah, I can.
I don't know how we substantiate whether he has a license or not from Ohio, but let's get the course taken on. That is course is in the chat. You know how to access the chat, sir?
Yes. I can see it now.
Take a screenshot of that, please.
Okay.
And I'm going to give you a pretrial date on November 14, 2023. Come on back, bring some valid registration and insurance, and then I don't know how we substantiate this license, but take that course, right?
Yes, sir.
And have that document ready for me, so I can send it to me ahead of time, so we can get you out here a little sooner than later.
Okay.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
Okay. Corporal Latch, let me go ahead and Miss O'Brien.
Yes.
All right, this is a Ms. Harris, you there? City of Detroit versus Bernice Marie O'Brien, case number SB 125-99471. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. O'Brien, please state your name.
Bernice O'Brien.
All right, Corporal Latch, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Corporal Ronald Latch, badge 3603 with Detroit Police Department's 3rd Precinct.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. The officer is pleading as charged. $240 will dismiss upon payment. That's a 0-point offense. It doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State. Let me put you in a breakout room with Miss Harris, and she can hear your side, ma'am, and see what you want to do, okay?
Okay.
All right. If she can make an accurate factual basis, if she wants to take the deal, make sure that she can do that, Ms. Harris. All right, we'll get you out of here in a minute, Corporal Latch. Or what you can do is, if you have a time limit on signing in, you can sign in now and just come right back.
Either way, it doesn't matter to me. I've got a few.
Okay, so we'll just give Ms. Harris. She shouldn't be that long.
Okay.
The 2 is not there. Paul Johnson. Are you, is Paul Johnson? Let's see who this is. Paul Johnson.
Supposed to be for Takita Garland.
Paul Johnson.
It's supposed to be for Takita Garland.
Garland. Takita Garland. Okay, I see. All right, I was just making sure that the person was not supposed to be in another courtroom. All right. What about the iPhone, the young lady? Are you laying down now?
Yes,
All right, get up, please, and put some clothes on.
I have on clothes, sir.
Not enough. What's your name?
Yes, sir. Danielle Lanier.
Danielle Lanier. All right, I'm gonna wait for you to get some clothes on, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Danielle Lanier. I don't see Lanier on here. Oh, I see Arthur Lanier. Let me see what Lanier has. I see Arthur Lanier. I don't see Danielle Lanier. Lanier, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you spell Danielle for me?
Danielle.
IEELLE.
IELLE.
Just one E, LLE.
Yes.
City of Detroit versus Danielle Lanier, case number U65701-523. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Danielle Lanier.
All right, she's supposed to be here on the 22nd. 22nd is
Tomorrow?
oh, we'll show cause as a purpose of arraignment, counselor.
I'm
For
sorry.
purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
enter a not guilty plea on her behalf, give her a $0 bond. I don't know what the allegation is, because we don't have a ticket. Come on back in the morning, Ms. Lee, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day.
Yes.
Miss Ready on O'Brien?
Not quite. I'm still in communications with Ms. Schneider.
Okay, very well. Are we ready on Landers? Landers.
Ready, Your Honor. Landers.
Okay. Let's go back on the record. For Ms.
Yes.
Landers. Ms. Landers, I have a valid driver's license for you. What does your client want to do, Mr. Barrett?
Your Honor, we would set this matter for a bench trial, essentially to allow the defendant to acquire a valid registration.
That's what you want to do, Ms. Landers?
Absolutely.
All right, we'll give you a December 14th, 2023 trial date at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
Have a great day, ma'am.
You too as well.
Let's go ahead with iPhone 4 left.
Test one more time. Test.
Test one time.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
You said.
Yes.
Okay.
Mr. Haas, Mr. Corporal Spidel, you're free to leave. That's they're gonna work it out at one.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day. Be safe out there.
You as well.
Nobody's connected to audio. All these people need to connect to audio.
You want the same bond on the ticket too? Okay.
313-784-7899. The name on that, 313-784-7899. What's your name, please?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Yes. Counselor Counselor Haas, who's your client?
Mark Greger.
And
I
where
got
is?
He's right here. He's right next to you, Your Honor.
Okay, very well. Morning to you, Mr. Greger.
Good morning, sir.
Let's see here. City of Detroit versus Mark Robert Greger, case number SP 147-03471. Appearance for the record, please.
Charles A. Haas representing Mr. Greger.
All right, Mr. Greger, state your name for the record, please.
Mark Robert Greger, sir.
Morning to both of you. Today is the date time set for a pre-trial. The offers, Ms. Snyder is here. Ms. Snyder is, what's the offer on the reckless?
Alexis Schneider for the people, P 80322. The offer would be drag racing, Your Honor.
Yeah, drag racing, 4-point offense, absolute right to a trial.
No, I wasn't raping anybody, no.
What's your client want to do, Mr. Hobbs?
My client would rather, he was not drag racing to begin with. This was a total misunderstanding. He explained to me the whole situation. And, we're like, between a rock and a hard place. I told him I couldn't take a plea on any of those things and would probably have to set it for a final pretrial, Your Honor, and maybe even go to trial at that.
Yeah.
So I'm just wondering, I don't want to interfere with the court's decisions, but that's where we're at. I got a real good client here. I've known him for 40 years, his family.
It's not my decision, Counselor, it's your client's decision. If he wants a trial date, give him a trial date. You want a pre-trial date, we'll give you an opportunity to talk to the city attorney. You want to talk to her now, you can do that, or you want to work up something, you can do that, or we'll just set it for trial and have it all worked out that day. Try to work it out before then.
Okay, I'll try to work it out with the city attorney if I could. So do you want me to go to a breakout room, or do you want me to, whatever you want, whatever your desire, Judge?
That's up to you. I'll put you in a breakout room with Snyder and see what you can do, and let me know when you get back.
Thank you so much, Judge.
All right. All right. Is that Herbie Latham? Herbie DeJuan Latham? Where's Miss Lewis? Leslie Lewis.
Here.
And Your Honor, on this, hold the trial today.
You said what?
We will be holding her trial today, please, and thank you.
Okay, very well. All right, let's go ahead and call the case. It's the City of Detroit versus Leslie Lene Lewis, case number Z8085361. State your name for the record, Ms. Lewis.
Leslie Lewis.
Are you going to turn your camera on, ma'am? Go ahead, Ms. Bumpus, put your appearance on the record. Good morning to you.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Lori Bumpus on behalf of the Probation Department. Your Honor, we're here for a review today. Ms. Lewis was placed on probation December 19th of 2022 for a period of 1 year. Your Honor, since that time, she has made payments towards fines and costs. She does owe a balance of $540 at this time. She's paid $450 to date. She still has her classes to attend, Your Honor, the Victims Impact Panel and the Alcohol Highway Safety Education Program. She has viewed the consequences video, and she is testing and scheduled, and there have been no positive tests. So we would recommend that probation be continued until December, which will allow her time to get those things done, hopefully.
Well, Ms. Lewis, I'm willing to close this out quicker than December, but it's going to be up to you to get money paid and get the other things done. I think you know everything you need to do. How long is it going to take you to do that, ma'am?
I've been trying, I was in the process of moving and getting a new job and everything. But I got a new job now, so hopefully I get it done sooner than December.
All right, I can have you in November 14th if you want to for another review.
I can do that.
You have it done by then? Or you want to just come back in December?
Hi. I'd rather do November.
I would too. All right, we'll give you till November. I mean, I'm trying to get this closed out. I know you are too, but that's why I gave you the option of the earlier date. So I'll give you till review on November the 14th, 2023 at 8:25. Hopefully you can get everything done by then, 5:40, and take classes and continue to test, all right?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. November 14th is your next review day. Have a great day. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Ms. Long.
Your Honor, if I may,
Yes.
I had an Angel Negron. It
Yes.
was non-probation. But I haven't received any proof of him completing the class.
Is that an offer to engage? Is that an offer to engage?
Yes.
All right, so then I won't close it out, and I don't think it's here.
Okay. Yeah, I haven't received any proof of it, so I just wanted to let you know. But it's a non-probation.
Okay.
Yeah, thank
Very
you.
well. Thank you so much. That helps.
Yeah.
All right, let's move on. Kirby Latham. There, sir. You have to unmute yourself. Mr. Latham, I can see you're unmuted. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
All right, City of Detroit versus Herbie DeJuan Latham, case number SP 1415385, count 1, 2, and 3. SP 141543031. 1730755551. 18523982, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Latham, please state your name.
Herbie Latham.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial.
I like her.
I give you an opportunity to take a trial date, sir. By that time, you can get your, hopefully you can have your license. You have a valid license, sir?
No, I have a ID.
Well, hopefully you can go get a valid driver's license by that time, or if you want to sit back and get you an offer, we can get you an offer. What would you like to do? You can speak to Mrs. Harris in the breakout room if you choose.
How much do I have to pay? I can make a payment today. I just got literally hired into a job today. So
Yeah,
I'm trying
to. It's not about paying. You have to go through and get a deal or get the trial. Why don't you speak to Ms. Harris? She'll explain things to you, all right?
Okay.
We've got old cases, 117, 218, and 2 recent. And then he owes money on old tickets, 180, 132, 324, 324, 274, 195. Well, not the 195, but that's a case that we'll set for a formal hearing if he wants that. All right, join the room, please.
Okay.
All right, let's go off the record with Latham. Let's go back on the record with is that Mark Robert?
Yes, Gregor.
Gregor.
Go here.
Mr. Haas, go ahead about what you worked out, or what do you want to do?
We're going to exchange some discovery with the city attorney, and we're going to set it up at whenever you can set another pretrial date, maybe 90 days out.
I'll set a pretrial date for November 14th.
Perfect. Thank you, Judge.
23 at 8:30. All right.
Yes, sir. Same Zoom. Okay, I got it. Thank you, Judge.
Yep. I have a great day, both of you. Be safe.
Thank you, sir. God bless. You, Your Honor.
God bless.
Thank
you. All right, Ms. Snyder, they want to hold a trial on this allowing an unlicensed driver to drive.
Your Honor, may I speak with Ms. Snyder in a breakout room? As to Mr. Gordon?
Yes, you want to speak about Mr. Gordon. I'm sorry. Let me put you in a breakout room, Ms. Snyder, with Mr. Barry. Join me, please. All right, let's keep it moving. 784-7899. Ask to unmute yourself. Can you state your name, please? (313-784-7899). Press *6 to unmute yourself, please. Okay, let's move on down. Layton, Christina Layton. Christina Layton there. You need to unmute yourself. She's not connected to audio. Are you on the phone, ma'am? That 784 number? You have to shake your head, yes or no. Are you on the 784 number? All right, can you hear me now? All right, she's not responding. She's responding, but I can't hear her. Is that your phone number, 784-7899? All right, so let's merge. See if this works. No. You have to say something, ma'am. Or turn your volume up or something. Okay, let's go back. What about Gordon? Let's go. Is Gordon ready?
No, Your Honor, I need to be placed back in a breakout room with Mr. Gordon.
Go ahead and join the room, please. Unmute yourself, Mr. Gordon. All right, what about Mr. Layton? Is he ready?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Herbie D. Latham. In case Mr. Latham, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak with also in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is respectfully requesting a trial date. He's going to approach the Secretary of State and would ask if the court can see if there's anything that he needs to pay prior to approaching the Secretary of State for his license.
I can't see anything here.
Okay.
All right. All right, you're gonna, hopefully you can bring that license back. The next date is gonna be December 21st, 2023 at 9 a.m., all right?
December who?
December 21st, 2023 at 9 a.m. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
All right, there's nothing further, sir. Very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
All right. Layton, can you speak now, ma'am? Layton? All right, she's not responding. iPhone 2 is not responding either. She's sitting in the driver's car, but she never connected to audio. One of them iPhone 2 is that person. Jens is never connected to audio. That gets me. Yeah,
Before we go to the next, can I get a couple minutes?
yeah, okay. All right, let's skip me down to Garland. We'll have to just see if we can work something out before until Miss Williams Law comes back. Peter Garland. All right, do you have valid registration and insurance for this vehicle, ma'am?
Hold on, this is Takita Garland's my mom, and she said, well, she was at work and she was trying to connect and we'll let her connect, but she's on the FaceTime. And she said,
Oh, we got video on top. We got video on top of video, don't we?
I'm unpause the camera.
Oh. Okay.
Miss Garland, good morning to you. Can you zoom in, ma'am? Can you zoom in?
Put your face in the camera.
Yeah.
Why don't you zoom in? Ask your mom to zoom in, all right? And if she has valid registration and insurance, I'd like to see it.
Okay.
Maybe it can work like that. This is the city of Detroit. Oh, I gotta wait anyway.
Okay.
Miss Garland, ask your mom to zoom in, okay?
She was trying to, but it was saying that the Zoom didn't support, something wasn't supporting it. That's why she had me turn on her computer at home and FaceTime because she was at work. And she FaceTime you at her job.
All right, tell her to bring out the registration and insurance, okay?
He said, she said she got it right here. Okay, I don't know if they can see that. or not. She's showing it. Show it again.
Paul Eric Johnson. It's Paul Eric Johnson, 2012. Let me see Garland's file, please.
You got that, okay.
Okay, but let's see. So what about this 2011 Ford you were allegedly driving? Do you have insurance and registration on that?
She was that's what the car that she was showing you. She was showing it.
No, it's not. That says a 2013 Ford.
Tell them I had insurance on this car with my name, and when I told the man that when I went to court, and he said that since I had insurance, that that would be okay, that they would throw it out because I was covered under insurance.
I don't understand what she's saying. It's best if she zooms in on her own.
He said you gotta come zoom in on your own.
Okay,
she said she's coming right now.
Okay.
All right. Okay, well, I just muted until she should be here within the next 3 or 4 minutes.
All right, we'll stand by.
All right.
We're waiting on the court, Miss Williams Law. Yeah. All right. Have you worked it out with Gordon? Mr.
Yes,
Barry?
Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
What's gonna go on with that?
Bench trial date, Your Honor. Prosecutor wants to speak with the officer.
All right. We'll wait until Ms. Williams Law comes back. Mr. Gordon, you can put this down on your calendars, December 21st, 2023 at 9 a.m.
Okay.
Well, we gotta put it on the record though.
I'm sorry. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, who's that?
It's Christina Layton.
Okay, very good.
Okay, thank you.
All right, this is a case we're probably gonna have to set for trial as well. Leaving the scene of a property damage accident. That's Ms. Layton's. So we'll put it on the record in a minute, Ms. Layton, but Ms. Layton, are you there?
Yes.
So yours is leaving the scene of a property damage accident. So before the city offers you, it gives you an offer, they want to speak to the officer. If the officer shows, we'll give them that opportunity. If the officer doesn't show, then we will dismiss the case. But we're going to set this for a trial date on December the 21st. So I'm going to give me a minute and let me get my court reporter back so we can put all. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Dave Gordon. Mr. Gordon, I've given you an opportunity to speak with Mr. Berry in a breakout room. Indicated to me that you want a trial date. The trial date is going to be December 21st, 2023 at 9 a.m. All right? Unmute yourself, sir.
Okay.
Very well. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you as well.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Christina Michelle Layton, case number SB 139-16191. Karen, for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Layton.
Christina Michelle Layton.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
You're not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Layton, we'll get you back on December 21st, 2023 at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay. They didn't want to just give me a ticket.
Pardon me?
They didn't want to just give me the ticket.
They give you the ticket. They gave you the ticket. You want to speak with the lawyer, ma'am?
I didn't even know how much the ticket was.
Now, it's not something you can pay. It's something that you have to go to court for first. So we'll set a trial date. We'll bring the officer in. Like I said, if the officer shows up, we'll get you an offer on that date, and then we'll get you a price that you pay. But if the officer doesn't show up, the case will be dismissed, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Come back on December 21st, 2023 at 9 a.m., okay?
December the 21st, okay.
9 a.m.
I'm sorry, 9 a.m.
All right, you got everything, you understand?
Yes.
All right, have a great day, ma'am. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. A lot of people, Miss Snyder's back. All right, Justin Lewis, we have. Justin Lewis is connected to audio. We can let's see if we can get you heard. Let's see.
Justin Lewis here.
Morning to you, sir. What's your middle name?
Hassan. G is silent.
Yes. City of Detroit versus Justin Hassan Lewis, case number SB 100710062, SB 100712331, SB 1145681, SB 1145681, SB 1195582, count 1 and count 2. SP 1280756 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1383241. SP 1427305. State of Michigan versus Justin Hassan Lewis, case number SX 37166. Right, SX 3716632. Count 1 and count 2. Parents for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor. State your full name, Mr. Lewis.
Justin Hassan Lewis.
Your Honor, we would ask the court to set aside the show cause. We'd waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
You are not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Well, let's see your face, sir. I can't. You're blurry. Why is it so blurry?
Probably the son, Your Honor. Your Honor, last time I was in court, the judge had made it to where I could go down to the Secretary of State and I guess temporarily get my license back. I pay a fee. I wound up getting hospitalized before I can get that taken care of, and I wound up missing my last court date. I was wondering if there's any way that I could get that reinstated for work purposes, the temporary license.
You have to go pay. You have to pay this reinstatement fee. I can allow. Well, this ticket is out now. Old. 2019. You got to pay SP 100710063. Pay that $288. And then it appears that you will be at least clear for a license here. SP 0071063, $288. All right, I'm gonna set a bench trial. 2021, December 21st, 2023 at 9 a.m. That way it'll give you time to get that money and pay that. And then go to the Secretary of State and see if we can get a valid license.
Okay, so what? Can you repeat the steps again on how I get attain a license? You said I have to pay the $288.
Pay this $288 on this no proof of insurance, and then wait 48 to 72 hours and see if you can get a. That's the only thing I see that's potentially messing your license up down here. I don't know about any other jurisdictions down here.
No, only traffic as far as Detroit goes.
Pay $288, and then you can wait 48 to 72 hours after you pay that. You can pay that at the DivDag kiosk, or you can come down to the court and pay that. But as soon as that's paid here, wait 48 to 72 hours and then approach the Secretary of State. All right.
Can I have that ticket number?
Yeah, you have ink pen?
I'm writing it in my notes.
SP 100710063. That's SP 100710063. $288. 48 to 72 hours from the time you pay that, approach the Secretary of State. Come back on December 21st, 2023. Hopefully you can have a valid license. If you have valid registration and insurance, it will go a long way to clearing this stuff up, all right?
All right.
There's nothing further, sir. Best of luck to you. Have a very good day.
I appreciate it.
All right, what are we gonna do about the trial, Ms. Snyder, Ms. O'Brien wants to be heard.
It'll be a dismissal, Your Honor, without prejudice.
City of Detroit versus Bernice Marie O'Brien, case number SP 99471. Appearance for the record, please.
Bernice O'Brien, I don't know how to get off of the it says safe driving mode.
Seen you, ma'am. I've seen you, ma'am. Go ahead, Mr.
Okay.
Erica Harris on behalf of Ms. O'Brien.
All right, Mr. Corporal Latch, did you put your appearance already on this? I think I called the case already. I got Corporal Latch as a peer.
Yes, good morning again, Your Honor. Corporal Latch, badge 3603 with the Detroit Police Department's 3rd Precinct.
Okay. Ms. Harris.
Sorry, Your Honor. I believe there's a recommendation to dismiss. We would ask the court to adopt.
All right, we'll adopt the recommendation, dismiss, I'll waive the warrant fee. If there's nothing further, Ms. O'Brien, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Be safe out there, Corporal Latch.
Thank you.
Go ahead. Vincent, Jen's never connected.
So do I just click off? I'm sorry.
Click off, man. Have a very good day. I can remove you.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you.
Can't even speak.
All right, who's on the phone there at 685-9493?
Yes,
What's your name, ma'am?
Demetrius Giles Chambliss.
Giles?
Yes, Giles Chambliss.
Good morning to you. Gonzalez?
I'm on right now.
Wow, what is that?
Oh, hold on.
Hold on. Glenn Gonzalez?
Hello?
Ms.
Yes.
Gonzalez?
Yes.
Good morning to you. Ms. Gonzalez? All right, you need to turn off the other device, Ms. Gonzalez. It's interrupting our court, okay?
My bad.
All right. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Let's see. Give me the correct pronunciation of your first name, please.
Shane Glenn.
Shane Glenn. Okay, good morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Shane Glenn, Elizabeth Gonzalez, case number SP 144-001, counts 1 and counts 2. Hearing for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gonzalez.
It's Shane Glenn Beth Gonzalez.
Sorry, it's Shane Glenn Beth Gonzalez.
Your Honor, we would ask the court to set aside the show cause. We'd waive the reading of the information and stand mute and ask that any warrants would be withdrawn.
I will enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Gonzalez, do you have a valid driver's license?
Actually, no, I was trying to get one because I have another court case in Lincoln Park, but they adjourned it to October to fix Detroit to go get my license so they can drop that ticket. I do got plates in the car, but it's under my dad's and my name.
Slow down. All right, there's nothing down here that's preventing you from getting a license. Have you been to the Secretary of State yet, ma'am?
Yes, they sent me a letter saying they couldn't do it because of the court case I had with you guys because of the warrant.
Oh, well, we'll recall a warrant, $0 bond, enter not guilty plea on our behalf. We'll give you a pre-trial, November 14th, 2023, 8:30. Wait 48 to 72 hours from now. That warrant should be recalled. I don't see a warrant on here. I see a show cause. I don't see a warrant, but nevertheless, that's all I see that you have down there. Let me look it up one more way. Yeah, So what we'll do is you wait 48 to 72 hours from now, and then whatever that was in the Secretary of State's record should be gone as far as it relates to our cases. Try to get a valid license, and you say you have plates, all right?
Yes.
Back November the 14th, 2023 at 8:30, all right?
All right, thank you.
Have a great day, now.
You too.
The name on the phone again.
Demetrius Giles Chambers.
Giles Chambers. Okay, very well. City of Detroit versus Demetrius Giles Chambers, case number SP 1438728, 8 counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the resident, please.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of Ms. Giles Chambers, please state your name.
Demetrius Giles Chambers.
Okay. Good morning to you. Today is the date time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Lawyer not guilty, then your client's behalf will give your client a $0 bond. Plead to the allowing, $240 fine, dismiss upon payment, no abstraction to the Secretary of State, no points. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. We'll dismiss the other two matters. We'll see what you want to do. Speak to Ms. Harris and let us know what you want to do when you come out. All right, Ms.
Okay.
All right. Join the room, Ms. Harris.
Madam Clerk, could I get a docket when you get an opportunity?
Sure. Okay. Okay.
Ms. Garland, did your mom, did you help her zoom in?
Yeah, this is me. I made
Your
that.
mom to zoom in.
Yeah, this is me now. I'm Takeda.
Oh, it is you. Okay. All right. Let's go. Let's call the case. This is the City of Detroit versus Takeda Monique Garland, case number SP 1469508. 1 counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Robert S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Garland.
It's Takeda Monique Garland.
All right, you came all the way from work?
Yeah, I had to, yeah, I work in healthcare. My patient lives around the corner. So I was on this morning about 8:45 from home, and I thought I would be able to log in from my phone once I got to my job, but it said my phone wouldn't support it. So I had my daughter stay logged on with you guys. So they gave me a little break to come back home and take care of this real quick.
Okay, so you provided me documentation for 2013 Ford. This ticket indicates 2011 Ford.
Yeah.
Wait, let me finish, please. And the ticket was written, the information, I see you're signed in on Paul Johnson. That's who that insurance and registration was under, Paul Johnson. So,
yeah, my name is on his insurance as well.
All right, let's see that, please.
I don't have the initial document, but I'm the one who did his insurance for him, and we live together, so we had to be on the same policy because we both have license with this policy.
Let's see the policy. What happened to the 2011 Ford?
I drove that car that day because this car was on the flat, And I did drive it around the corner to the convenience store to get some Tylenol for my grandbaby who was here for the summer I was taking care of. And the police stopped me soon as I pulled off.
Is there any insurance on the 2011 Ford?
No, that car isn't even working. And I would have walked, but I got a back injury that I'm supposed to have surgery on my back, so I couldn't walk. So, I mean, I know it's not an excuse, so I'm not trying to make an excuse for anything, but I thought I could get around the corner and back home and be safe, but it didn't happen like that, so.
It is an excuse. We've been debating about what is an excuse and what is not an excuse for a while, but that's something that we've been debating about in this courtroom. But anyway, what I'll do is I did see the documentation for the 2013 Ford, and it was in Paul Johnson's name. You indicated you can't show me anything to say that you were on that insurance.
I don't have the initial policy because we never printed off the whole policy. We just printed off the cards, but it is on there because I guess they said that I guess when who's ever in the household that has driver's license and you share the same residence, they said that we had to share the same policy, but we're always on the same policy anyway. So, but I could provide it. I don't have it right now, but I can provide it for you. You know, but I am on there. I wouldn't tell you that if I wasn't.
I'm gonna go ahead and dismiss the case this one time, provide valid documentation, ma'am. All right.
Okay, thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you. You have a blessed day as well.
Thank you.
Mhm.
All right, what about Ms. Harris? You want to go back in the breakout room with Mr. Green and see what's going on with him?
I can't.
We have, I'm gonna put you out, Ms.
As Giles Chambers, she's requesting a trial date.
Is Ms. Giles Chambliss here? Is she ready?
Requested her tickets.
All right, who's on the phone at 615-497-4634?
Curtis Gatewood.
Purvis Jakewood?
No, Burtis. B as in Victor, E-R-D-I-S. Burtis. Gatewood.
Gatewood. Burtis Gatewood. All right. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Okay, good morning, Ms. Giles Chambliss. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Giles Chambliss. Ms. Chambliss, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counselor indicates to me that you want a trial date, correct?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to set the trial date for December the 21st, 2023 at 9 a.m., okay?
21st?
21st of December, 9 a.m., okay?
Okay, okay.
If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. Mhm.
City of Detroit versus Burtis Gatewood, case number SB 144-91461. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gatewood.
Burtis Gatewood.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Gatewood, do you have a valid license, sir?
No, sir.
Why is that?
I went down there to the State State, and they said that for me to get my license back, I have to pay a fine. It's I think my old fine is like $2,000 something. Get my license back.
$2,000.
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Gates, we can set this matter for trial, or we can give you a failure to display, $240 fine, and we'll abstract to the Secretary of State. However, it won't carry any points. It's just one count of license improper, Mr. Berry. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry, and let us know what you want to do when you come out.
You talking to me?
Yes, join the room, Mr. Berry. All right, can we put the screen up for Mr. Gines, Ms. Mathis?
Aaron, I did just email Mr. Green's insurance.
Take it off, please.
That's what we're drinking.
John. Go back on the record, Mr. Gatewood. I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date in this matter.
All right, that's what you want to do, Mr. Gatewood.
Yes, sir.
Come back in December 21st, 2023 at 9 a.m., okay?
December 21st, 9 a.m.
December 21st, 9 a.m. It's nothing further, sir. Good day, best of luck to you.
Is that another video?
Yes.
I just called like I did today.
Yeah, hopefully you can zoom in next time.
Oh, okay, okay. December 21st.
Yeah.
Okay, 9 a.m.
Have a great day, Mr. Gatewood.
Okay, you too. Thank you.
Vincent John is never connected to audio. Let me put him out. Get him back in. Benny Green, he has insurance, but he has insurance, he has a license. He says he's gonna get his tags today, right? Let's bring him back. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Benny Lee Green Jr. Mr. Benny Lee Green Jr., I do have valid driver's license here. Ms. Harris has sent me a copy of your insurance that you emailed. You say you're getting the registration today, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, pay $65 for this seatbelt ticket. We'll close the stuff out, all right?
Oh, thank you so much.
All right, and then you're gonna have to pay a reinstatement fee, and then you already owe the court for 2012 tickets, $372 and $382, all right?
You say 2018.
2012 tickets, you owe the court.
2012. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. So I'm just concerned with $65 here. I'm gonna let the court deal with the other monies. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea, counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna find your client responsible for the seatbelt ticket as charged, $65. Dismiss the other matters. When can you pay the 65, Mr. Green?
About a week, Your Honor. I have a funeral tomorrow, so next Friday or so. Is that fine?
I'm gonna give you until next Friday, the 29th, 2023. Pay that $65. Pay it at any DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm gonna waive the warrant fee, and you're gonna have to pay the $45 reinstatement fee as well. But I'm worried about the $65. Pay those, and we'll close the other matters out. All right.
Yes, Your Honor. Will I be able to pay the reinstatement at the window?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you.
All right, you too, Your Honor. Thanks, Counsel.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
Hello.
Okay, very good. Now he's connected. Can you remove your hat, Mr. John?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, we connect.
Finally got connected. All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Vincent Jens. Case numbers pardon me? Gens.
Yes.
Sorry about that. Case number SP 116614 counts. I'll strike that. SP 1166148 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1476071 and U32188616. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood Asbury Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gens.
Vincent Gens. Vincent Terrell. Vincent Terrell Octavius Gens.
Just move. Go out the room. Go.
That?
Yeah, that's just a fake.
Vincent Octavius Terrell Gens.
Well, all right. Ms. Snyder, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322.
All right, Mr. Gens has a trespassing and a firearms ordinance along with an improper license and unregistered untitled. What would be his offer?
Oh, that's not me. That's not me. I don't have no firearm or nothing. It's the wrong guy. I just got a trespass. I just got a trespass, no firearm.
Give me a second, Mr. Hold on a second, Mr. Good.
Yes, sir.
Well, we're gonna have to set a trial date, because it's under your name. It's 9/6/2016.
For what?
Let you speak to Mr. Berry in a breakout room. It's a firearms. I don't have an actual ticket here.
I don't know. I ain't have no firearm. Whoa.
All right, well, we'll set a trial date, all right, on the matters, all right? And we'll join the breakout room, Mr. Gins, and speak to Mr. Berry, all right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Join the breakout room. Say join.
He's in there. Haven't showed up. She showed up, but she didn't stay.
Oh, Ms. Gavin, you want to show, you want to say for the show?
It's a
Well, I can
bench.
adjourn it.
It's a bench.
Or then I've been trying, want me to adjourn it?
Hey, we call. I'm sure Mr. Gins wants to take a trial date.
Correct, Your Honor. Bench trial date.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gins. As for purposes of arraignment, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor, we'd waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. Mr. Gins, Mr. Berry said you want a trial date, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, December the 21st, 2023 at 9 a.m., okay?
December 21st.
21st, 2023, 9 a.m.
9 a.m.
9 a.m. December 21st, 2023, 9 a.m.
Yes, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
All right, thank you.
Yes, sir. And you have a blessed day too, sir.
Thank you.
God bless. All right. You, all right. And you too, counsel. Bye.
Click it on. Click it on. You gotta click it on.
Wait, I'm trying to click it.